Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
I'm asking the CM with responsibility, is he ready to write it in writing that if anyone gets coronavirus, is he ready to resign? So resign जावपाक ready आसा? His MLAs itself, his cabinet is not ready to sit in the assembly. And to students, you are putting the students into danger. What are the students? Are students of Goa a joke? This is a kind request again to the CM of Goa to पळयता जाल्यार please, in the interest of the students of Goa, please postpone the exam. This is the last request to postpone the examination. If you are seeing the CM पळयता जाल्यार last request आसा की postpone करा.
तुम्ही पयलीं सांगलेले बेगीन घ्या एग्जाम म्हणून
आम्ही सांगू ना त्यांना इंक्रीज जावन आशिल्ले केसीस.
SSC exams आता situation is bad. Maharashtra, the situation is सारखे well defined. तेजेर आमी उलयची बट आमगेले almost 30 odd cases, almost 40 cases आनी पावपार शक्यता येता. Now we have written to the government, Chief Minister, की exams postpone करता. Postpone आनी कोण करपाची आनी परिस्थिती ना actually cancel करपा परिस्थिती आहा. Other states have cancelled it. They have already cancelled it. So how to draw up marks? How to draw up marks also is explained. They have got already 20 marks internal assessment. So they can just multiply, or there are experts. They may even have experts who decide what to do, and they may conduct it. Because parents are मातशे भंय आयल्या, they are little bit scared. भुरग्यांक कितें सिच्युएशन जायत काय म्हणून. आता SSC एग्जामाचेर MA ची ऑर्डर आहा.
आणि अशा परिस्थितीत सरकार आता एग्जामी घेवपाक फुडें सरला. एग्जामीन जर खंयच्या भुरग्याक एक जर पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळो, ओ एग्जामी खातीर कम्युनिटी ट्रान्समिशन जर जालें जाल्यार कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेतलो? हांवें पयलींच्या हांव म्हणीत आहा, हांव ट्वीट करीत आहा, विथ ग्रेट पावर कम्स ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.